couldn't chat there. To actually find, so he found a taxi or he came upon a taxi. Okay, Hanig she or Haxi, a dumper awalye. Huh? They took him home, yeah. It's like the aspirin, a umper, banach, there's a umper that he had the habit of carrying. So, umper is to carry, okay?
Is that also used to be pregnant?
Yeah, actually, yeah, it comes, there's an expression, like umper klina is pregnant. So, like umper. Carrying. Yeah, actually, you can just say gumper by itself, but that's what it comes from. It means carrying child. At the carrying of child. Okay?
Are we still alone the night before he wakes up with a hangover?
Huh?
Are we still on the night?
This is when he wakes up. Yeah. So I think this isn't a day. Okay, yeah. Actually, you'll find out in a second how this fits in. It's right there. Okay. Give it a shade, Heather.
Chokshan, Chumani, the Hargan, the Kerala, and Latif, again, Nori, Holbert, Rolheim, Van Barnheim, Blankenheim, Aviator.
Okay. So Diaksha and Tomani. Is that what word? Yek. Yek. Paid, right? Okay. Diaksha and paid. Diaksha, he paid, and Tomani, the driver. Tomani is to drive, Tomani is a driver. Le Haragid, yeah, with money. Avi Kurha Elativ Ege. I'll just, either one of you two want to try to I want to guess. Kurha Elativ. Put aside. Okay. The word kur is to put, so. Kurha Elativ Ege. The Nora Ivrolheim for Nora Obrolkan. And Van Glantachein Avi Ege. Cleaning. So woman cleaning on it. Okay. Okay.
I thought he didn't have any money.
He'd set it aside, I guess. So I guess he didn't have it in his wallet, or he had it somewhere else. Yeah. Or in his coat or something. Okay. Give it a shachjeg, Bob. Yefrishe. Yefrishe. Diary is different. Yefrishe.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yefrishe.
Hug ayer hjamra liapa chrak chud edi de hein agus hit is jack salaba mara vech. Denne egen fresh shea lagen letua. Put an X on it.
It's not accented though. It's vech. It's not accented though. It's not long. It's vech. Yeah. So it's short. It's a short e. It's a short.
Or if it were short e.
It's vech. Actually depends on where you say it. In some places it's pretty short. Okay, so in shin, yefrishe ischach. Yefrishe ischach. He hurried inside. Hug I erachyomer lapa. Does anyone know the word shomer lapa? Bedroom. And hug I. Do you know the word hug means normally? Gave or something. I is.
Face.
Yeah, so gave face to his bedroom. What do you think he did? He turned to it. Okay. Chrak achich 80 jehin. You've seen the word 80, I think, in the last. Okay. Go ahead and you want to translate chrak achich 80 jehin, Bob?
I don't know, it is something with these clothes.
Yeah, he tore his clothes off. Chrak achich 80. Srak is to tear. Or rip or something. So chrak achich 80. Oh, he just took his clothes. He just tore off his clothes quickly. Okay. Agus hit ischach salaba. Fell into bed. Maravech Dina Egan, you might not know these words actually. Marveach Dina Egan, Tarish. Okay, yeah. Marveach is literally as would be. Dina Egan,
Any
someone.
through,
Tarish,
through,
after. Tarish, after. A lagan latua. And you know the word lag from the. I remember the story of the the tree mukin. Yeah, the wolf and the three little pigs threatened to lag the house. To knock it down. Knock it down. And that was a beginning class a long time ago. Okay, a lagan latua. Tua is an axe. Okay, so maravech dina egen paresh a lagan latua. So as someone would be after being chopped down or taken down with an axe. I mean, it's kind of an awkward idiom. Not really an idiom, but metaphor. Ibara hochseg, Heather.
Nog ben we brochain. Aaron Doris, I guess, who she is Jack, so Shomer Lapa.
So Chnog Benny Brolchain Aaron Doris. Karavinishi? Knocked on the door. Chnog. Okay, it kind of sounds like a knock. Chnog, right? Okay, it's the same word. It's knock, I think. Chnog and knock. Okay? Chnog Benny Brolchain Aaron Doris. Agus Huishi is Jack sa Shomer Lapa. Went into the bedroom, right? Hui. Over a Nijag, Bob.
Lig Shiasna Nura Hanik Shi and Krot Avi Aaron Shamra.
So Ligshi Osna, anyone remember that one?
Left her, jumped out of
She
let out.
she sighed. Okay, she let a sigh. Nura Hanik Shi
And she saw.
and Krot, forget that word for the moment, Avi Aaron Shomra.
What was in the room?
It was on the condition of the room. It's the condition that was on the room in Irish. And krot, yeah, it's actually a dialect word, but it's in krot. Okay? Who fiche, Heather?
The 80 kaja ingak in IH Aaron
So the 80 catcha. Clothes. Every place on the floor. Yeah, thrown. Catcha. Okay? Maybe fiche hain, Bob.
The Perig Brog Labach Nali Aaron Laba.
So the pair of brog, what's that sound like? Pair of shoes. Leibach is, you know the word leibach? Muddy. In a lee, Aaron Laba. Okay? And Fichado, Heather Ladal?
Mine Rockwola, Shomer and Analogy.
Okay, yeah. Something in the room, right? Okay. Any other pieces you can figure? Does anyone know the word bola? I don't know. Want to translate it? One of you? Bola is smell, so droch wola, bad smell. Anyone, you guys, can either of you translate this one? Huh? No. Okay, so one and droch wola is shomer and analgy, so the bad smell in the room took her breath away. Okay? Alright? Which, given from what we know of this guy, probably happened often. So, okay, we're going to go ahead and pass out the other two sheets now. So, Ibrahim, number one. Nur hanik shehigahain vishan ali and akamana lasmud and chach. So when he came to himself, he was lying on the steps outside the house. Okay? So, couple of things here. The way you say to come to yourself or to come to is basically hanig is the word come, comes from tar, come. Came he, higa is to him and hain is self. So hanig shef higa hain, he came to himself, he came to. Okay? So if you want to say she came to herself, it'd be hanik she hiki hain. Hiki. So higa is to him, hiki to her. Okay, so that comes, it's the word pig, means to or towards. Okay, does anyone know to me? Hugum. To you, anyone want to guess? Huget. To him is Huga. For Hiki. To us is Hugin. To y'all is Hugiv. And to them is Huku. Okay? Those should be on those charts if you have them. And if you need them, they're on our site, or you can email me about it. So how would you say then, I came to myself? Hanig me hugam kain. Okay.